We're 18 months out from construction completion with the new main tower project, and the building is now energized, which means it has permanent power. We're continuing working on other equipment in the central utility plant, and we want to show you what's going on in the basement. We're in the central utility plant, so we've brought Ben Palmer down here, and he's primarily responsible for the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing trades on this job site. So Ben, here's the chiller. I mean, we would love to hear a little bit more about it. I mean, look at these pipes. They're huge. We want to give people some relationship. What happens if I go ahead and touch? I'm just kidding.
Please don't.
Calm down, calm down. But give us some information about the chiller down here.
We have 3 chillers, each of which are 30,000 pound chillers. They're pretty significant pieces of equipment. What these actually do are chill the water throughout the project. So what you see behind you here in these large pipes that you were just hugging are 12-inch water lines. Each chiller can produce over 1,000 gallons per minute of chilled water, and then it's pumped throughout the building.
Wow, that's great, because I know a hospital facility especially uses a lot of water, and we've got 390,000 square feet to serve in this building. Well, let's go over and take a look at the boilers and learn a little bit about their performance.
All right, let's go check it out.
Well, Ben, these are some of the largest boilers I've ever seen. Can you tell us a little bit more about them? We
have 2 400 horsepower boilers. Each boiler is capable of producing 13,800 pounds of steam per hour. That's going to produce steam for all the sterilizers, the heating and cooling, and all the hot water systems throughout the building.
So we've got miles of piping down here, and it just looks like a big spaghetti mess. What are the pipes? What do they do? And how do we figure out where they go in relationship to each other so it's not really a big mess?
Well, when you look at the systems as a whole, certainly they look very complicated and whatnot, but broken down individually, we have steam piping, heating hot water piping, different types of chill water piping, and all of which go from the boilers to the other pieces of equipment which push the steam and water systems throughout the entire project. So individually, when you break down each system, it's not as complicated as it looks upon initial review when you're looking at the overhead.
And it had to have helped that we used 3D modeling to get all of it in place down here.
Without doubt, we never would have been able to manage to get all of these thousands of lineal feet of piping in various sizes and insulation into a confined space without the benefit of the 3D modeling process we've done throughout the project.
Well, it's been great to spend time in the central utility plant and bring you up to date as we near completion of the new main tower project, and we invite you to stay tuned for more construction updates.